What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've sat here and did an actual makeup tutorial, like step by step, how to get this, how to get that, how to do all that. It's been a long time for me. I've been doing like little get ready with me's and chit chats and stuff like that, but I haven't been, you know, doing actual tutorials, and I know y'all miss that. I miss doing them, so that's what I'm here with. I'm coming with, you know, this is what I came with. This is what it is. I'm gonna show y'all how to get here. So if you want to see how I got to this step by step, what products I used, all that good stuff, then make sure you keep on watching. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave this video. Before this video is over with, subscribe to my channel, and let's just go ahead and get into this tutorial.
Oh, let me know where I go, let me know, 'cause I feel away.
Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. I always do my eyebrows off camera because they take so long, and that's just gonna take up too much time. My routine hasn't really changed much in a couple years, so that's why I don't show my brows on camera. So I'm gonna start out with my eyes first. This is the eyeshadow base I'm gonna be using, and it is in the color ESB03. As you can see from the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing like a really dramatic, glittery, smoky eye. And unfortunately, I don't have my tape. I'm so mad because my tape is what helps me make my make looks like this look really precise and perfect on the end. So I'm gonna try my best to try to get it right. My makeup wipes handy because I already know this one to get messy. I'm gonna take a fluffy wet and wild eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna start packing on a black. But I don't think this black in this palette is gonna be black enough, so hold on one second. Okay, I'm gonna be using this my Tarte Pro palette. I love this palette. I probably would never stop using this palette. I don't care what nobody say. I love the colors in it. They're all like so pigmented. I just love this palette. I'm gonna take the color Punk. It's a black color. Ooh, this is gonna be so messy. And I'm gonna put that right on my lid. I'm not gonna bring it up because I'm gonna blend up with another color. Y'all are gonna see what I mean in a second. Okay, and I usually don't clean my brushes in between colors, but because this is a little smoky eye, I need this brush to be clean when I add this other color. Otherwise, I'm gonna have black all the way up to my eyebrows, and that is a no-go. So make sure you're doing the smoky eye, you clean that brush in between your colors because you don't want this mess to turn out into a disaster. And a smoky eye will turn into a disaster real quick. So I'm gonna take this color right here called Mod, and I'm gonna use that to blend this up a little bit and then create like that smoky look. And don't worry about all this like fallout over here on the side. We're gonna wipe all that up. That's the thing, when I have my tape, I usually don't have to worry about that, but since I don't have my tape, I'm gonna have to manually go back and clean it up. Oh my gosh, I forgot how like tiring doing smoky eyes was. You really gotta blend, like, girl, you gonna have to blend. Okay, so this is sort of what you should end up looking like. So I'm gonna just wipe off these sides, try to clean it up a little bit, and I'm using a makeup wipe, and this is gonna help it to look more sharp on the sides, so it's not looking all crazy. Okay, so before I do add the glitter, I'm gonna add some liner first. I'm doing this because when I try to add liner over glitter, it just doesn't go on smooth enough, and it gets kind of like clumpy and lumpy, and I ain't got time for that, so we're gonna do it this way. And let's see if I can do the other side. So let's try to do this other side. This is always my little struggle side. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna use this glitter by NYX. It's like a, well, the color is called gunmetal. It's like a really dark gray kind of mixed in with black. And I'm gonna add this in. Like I'm gonna add this on. Like I'm not gonna do like a cut crease or anything. I'm just gonna add like little sprinkles. So just like that. I'm using the NYX glitter glue adhesive to apply my glitter. I'm going to apply some even lashes, and these are in the style Abby. I'm trying to get this mess to focus. And then on top of that, I'm going to take that same black eyeshadow from the Stardust Pro palette and just kind of smudge that at the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the face, into the skin, so we can finish off this look. I'm gonna just wipe off my face a little bit just to get off any extra fallout, anything out in my face to make it look crazy after I add foundation and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take a clean makeup wipe and just wipe over my face one good time. So first I'm going to prime my skin with this NYX Hydrating Primer. This is what it looks like. Now for as long as I can remember, I've always had like really oily skin. But for the past couple weeks now, I've been having little dry patches like in between my eyebrows, on top of my brows, and then my chin. So that's why I ended up buying this, because you guys know, like I've mentioned before, I never buy anything that's hydrating or illuminating for my skin at all, because I have really oily skin. Like I don't know what's going on. So for foundation, I'm going to be using these NYX foundations. These are the Total Control drops. I got 3 different colors because my skin just be doing the most. It be changing colors all the time. I'm always like in between different shades, so I just got 3 different shades. And no, 3 shades that I thought would match my skin. So we're gonna try to make it do what it do. I'm gonna add all 3 colors. I'm going to buff this into my skin. Look at this. I used the same foundation in my last video, and y'all told y'all about how it got me looking crazy. But it's kind of too light for me. But once I like buff it in and work it in, it starts to blend out a little bit better. To fix this foundation, like the brightness of the foundation, I'm going to be taking this NYX HD concealer, and it is in the color CW 7.5, and I'm going to add this as if I'm contouring, and adding this in is going to help for me to tone this foundation down a little bit, because this is just too much. You see how much better this side looks now? I'm gonna just do like a little bit of concealer because I really don't need that much. I'm just like a really tiny bit, like just a couple dots under my eyes and on my chin. Usually I'll do like a whole shebang, like everything, like my chin, nose, forehead. But looking at myself right now, I really don't feel like I need that brightness, like extra brightness, just because this foundation is already really light. I don't want to be looking too like crazy. So, and I am using the same brush to do all of this. This brush really works good when it comes to me blending out my concealer and contour and stuff like that. Whenever I use this brush, I never switch over to a sponge because it's so soft and it blends out so good. So that's why I've used the same brush for everything that I just did. But I'm not really gonna bake. I don't really like how my face comes out anymore when I bake. I don't know, it just doesn't come out the way that it used to. I don't know if I'm using, well, if it's because I'm using different products or doing it differently than I used to. I feel like I'm still doing it the same, but it just doesn't come out the same way it used to when I did bake. So just as fast as I'm gonna put on is as fast as it's gonna come off. Then I'm going to use this little small Tarte Pro To Go palette, and I'm going to use the color in here called Chisel. It's a contour color. I'm going to use that to go over the contour area. I'm also going to take this NYX Butt Naked Turn the Other Cheek palette. It has like eyeshadows and blushes. And I'm going to use this like coral looking shade right here. I'm going to use that to blush up my cheeks a little bit. Yeah, that was like the perfect amount, like the perfect color for blush. And then to highlight, I'm going to do a mixture of this one right here and this one right here. I don't think these have names. That's why I haven't said like a name for any of them. They don't come with names. And for lips, y'all should already know my favorite combo is a brown liner and a nude lip. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Butter gloss. I'm gonna use this NYX butter gloss, and this is in the color Creme Brulee. And I'm gonna add this to my lips. So that was it for the tutorial. I think this is so freaking cute. Like, this came out so cute to me, minus the whole foundation situation. We fixed that though, we got it together. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave this video. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any more of my uploads, and make sure you leave some comments down below, share this video, and I will see y'all on my next one.